Today I will tell you a story from Srimad Bhagavatam named Sandanagopalam. In Dwaraka, there lived a Brahmin whose children were dying at the time of their birth, and Krishna rejected his request as nobody can change the rule of karma. This must have been done intentionally by Krishna, perhaps to remove the ego of Arjuna on later. But that Brahmin was unhappy with Krishna as 8 of his children died on birth. Once, Arjuna came to visit Krishna at Dwaraka. Krishna requested Arjuna to stay with him for a few days. One day, in his court, that Brahmin, carrying the dead body of a newborn baby, came to meet Lord Krishna. He was furious on Krishna and complained that, "This is the body of my 9th baby. My wife has delivered dead. All the previous 8 babies were also born dead. This can happen only in a country which has the sin of a ruler." In response to his complaint, Lord Krishna does not say anything to the Brahmin. Witnessing this scene in the court, Arjuna declared to the Brahmin, "I can save your next child." Initially, the Brahmin did not interested in accepting Arjuna's offer, but Arjuna repeatedly brags about himself and convinced the Brahmin to accept his offer. In addition, Arjuna stated, "I will jump into the fire and die if I couldn't fulfill my promise to you." Looking at the confidence of Arjuna, the Brahmin agreed to visit Arjuna again to seek his help whenever his wife would deliver the 10th child. Several months rolled by, and an occasion came when the Brahmin's wife would deliver a baby child once more. In a hope that Arjuna could save this child, the Brahmin visited Arjuna and invited him to his house. Arjuna built a strong castle made of arrows and asked the Brahmin's wife to deliver the baby inside that castle so that the mother and the child would be safe. Brahmin's wife delivered, but the child suddenly disappeared. The Brahmin is absolutely disappointed and unhappily sent Arjuna away from his house. Arjuna traveled across the entire world in search of the child, but even Yama, the god of death, does not know the whereabouts of the child. Then, as promised to the Brahmin, Arjuna tried to kill himself by jumping into the fire. At this occasion, Krishna stopped Arjuna from killing himself and took him to Vaikunta, where Lord Vishnu resides. Arjuna, to his surprise, found all the 10 children of the Brahmin safe and sound in the custody of Lord Vishnu and his consort, Goddess Lakshmi. Lord Vishnu said he wanted to see both Arjuna and Krishna together and hence took away the Brahmin's children, and they are here for them to take back now. Krishna returned the children to the Brahmin and got the name of Sandanagopalan. There is a belief that anyone reading this story is sure to get the benefits of Sandanams, meaning children, with the blessings of Lord Krishna. That's all for today. Thank you.